Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new layout for the Hip Kit Club design team featuring the April 2022 kits and the June 2022 Geo Floral Background cut file. My mission this week was to create a masculine layout with a cut file as background, and this cut file was perfect for that. First, I selected 3 blue, yellow and grey pattern papers as a color combo and cut out 3 strips of different sizes to make a horizontal layout. So before continuing, I sewed the photo and pattern paper strips to bring texture. So I use watercolor paper as a background, and I add on top the cut file in watercolor paper too, and then I add the strips of pattern paper on top. I realize rounds of pattern papers with the set of die-listed shapes of the January 2022 kit that I have around the photo. Then add a yellow tab and die cut loving this near the photo. I used the June 2022 one-of-a-kind cut file because I needed the word kind to create my title. So I removed the parts I don't want and put that word under the die cut. I then add the word off made with the cardstock stickers alphabet from the Pocket Life kit, and then the word guy created with the puffy alphabet from the main kit that I place on the photo. I add several cardstock stickers phrases on either side of the photo, and I also use the wood veneer buttons from the main kit that I place here and there around the photo. And I add more cardstock stickers phrases and chipboard stickers here and there. So I decided to add the same background cut file under the photo but in reduced size. I cut it to have the right size. This will make a small reminder of the background of my page, and it will bring a game of texture in addition. So I just have to stick everything together. I continue with the background of my page this time. I stabilize the cut file with washi tape to be able to add inks without it moving. I choose the Chimmers inks that I love and that are in the previous kits. I choose the color mustard seed and dandelion. With a piece of rhodoid, I take ink and drop it in the place I want exactly. And I repeat the operation several times. With a brush, I widen the ink area if necessary. And I dry so that the ink doesn't go too much under the cut file. I keep adding ink and I do the same at the bottom of my page. I also add ink on the pattern papers to create a link between the background and my decoration. And I add the darkest ink to bring depth and make a gradient. I splash over it and then add the text patterns with a stamp and black ink to bring contrast. So I added from under the cut file to create volume to this set. I then glue everything on the background of my page. I really love the rendering, and it also allows to have a personalized and unique background. I finished my layout by adding godel sequin here and there to bring shine and a little precious side to this layout. I add splashes of white gesso diluted with a little water to harmonize everything, and splashes of black ink to bring contrast. Here is the result a little closer. I hope this layout will inspire you in some way today. I love the turn that this masculine layout took, and I love this 3D background. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.